Morning mga pasyente dyan. Nandito na natatawag nyo si Doc Kwak Kwak Kwak. Pero ito po ay hindi kwak kwak basta. Pero pinag-aralan ko po ito. At ito ay turo ng Panginoon. So ayan. Ito ay ginawa ko po. Ito yung medyo mainit-init na pantanggal ng pananakit. Yan. Bago ko siya hilutin. Tapalabra natin ng mainit-init na gawa ko mula sa buto ng avocado. Yan. Para mawala yung pananakit. And then, saka nating hilutin.
Ayan, sarap. Ayan na. Ayan, kuha-kuha. Oh, grabe oh. Ay, terrible. Aray.
Dito.
Grabe.
So, kailangan mahagod yung ugat na naipit. Yan.
Grabe.
Tapos, mga maya-maya, pwede siyang ibabad sa jacuzzi para mawala yung
Mamaya niya ko rin.
pananakit. Tapos, sa cold. And then, gulungin siya sa mainit na tubig sa bote.
Aray. Sige, bigyan pa utang-utang. Wala ko sa baso lang. Amo na si Bebe. Ano yung concentrate ka, okay? Hindi pwede nga may tantar ka namin. Okay.
So, anong gumagaan siya? Ha? Gumagaan.
Oh. Sabi dito, we received the information that you recently submitted and our team is ready to work. Please call to find out if you may be owed compensation from your employer. Ano? Please call to find out if you owe compensation from your employer. So, tatawagan ko siya. Okay.
Hello, you have reached United Employees Law Group. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. Press 1 to speak with the next available intake manager.
Ano to?
Press 2 for assistance in
Pagpagay kamay
Spanish.
pa.
Or press 3
Wait,
to
Adi,
leave
Adi.
your name and phone number, and we will call you back as soon as possible. We appreciate your patience. Our next available intake manager will assist you shortly. Alternatively, if your number is unblocked, press 0 to reserve your position in the queue. We'll promptly return your call in the order it was received. Law offices, this is me. How can I help?
Yes, this is Alejandro Diel. I received text messages. It says that I have to call your office if I have